Hey everybody, just rolling home, getting done with the work day. It's like day one back from the vacay, right? And I just wanted to kind of, I guess, humanize for a hot second that man, working for somebody else is not that enjoyable. I mean, granted, I work for probably one of the best bosses. The old boy is really, really cool. But there's still the whole, like, you gotta go to their establishment. You gotta, abide by their rules, right? You gotta stick to their hours. There's all those requirements and, dress codes and all that jazz. And since this channel is, really devoted to, some pretty simple stuff, let's get out of debt, let's make some money and then build some wealth. I wanted to shoot this hot video, and talk about this hot topic, if you would, to stay with the theme, because it is so hot, right? But the hot topic is, being able to go to these places of employment, make money from these employers, and then be able to build your own thing on the side. That's, my job, my job, is helping me fuel, the whole future of me incorporated, right?